Hello everyone, welcome to Chopbusters. In today's video, we're diving into the world of tools, those essential gadgets that make every project easier and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, we'll explore some must-have tools that should be in every toolkit. Get ready to discover tips, tricks, and expert recommendations to help you tackle your next project with confidence. So, let's get started.
Self-leveling green planar laser level. The Klein Tools rechargeable, self-leveling, green planar laser level is a high-performance laser leveling and alignment tool for professionals. Clear, bright green, 360-degree lines in the X, Y, and Z planes project from this level and offers plumb up and plumb down marks. Rechargeable self-leveling green planar laser level has easy-to-read with high-visibility green horizontal and vertical laser lines. View the upward and downward plumb marks at the intersection of the Y-plane and Z-plane. Rugged body provides IP54 water and dust resistance. Hard plastic carrying case included. Ultimate pipe clamps. For medium-duty applications and optimized components, it brings more flexibility with reduced complexity. Low-friction slide strip in the center of the ruby inlay makes positioning of the pipe easier without pushing the inlay out of the pipe clamp. 3-stage safety closure makes installation easier, especially overhead. Can be used for fastening fresh water, wastewater, and heating pipes in residential and industrial construction. Faster, easier, and more reliable closing thanks to the safety snap mechanism. Compact spot blower. This compact spot blower delivers more control and faster cleanup. It features high and low speed settings, a lock-on button, and a variable speed trigger for increased control during job site cleanup. The M12 compact spot blower's compact size allows for greater access, maneuverability in tight spaces, and easy storage. The axial fan provides the best combination of power and runtime, with 175 CFM and 110 miles per hour of airspeed. The M12 compact spot blower includes 2 nozzles. The rubber nozzle removes debris from hard-to-reach spaces. The wide sweeping nozzle efficiently clears debris in open spaces. The M12 compact spot blower is ideal for job site debris removal and workbench cleanup. Table apron clamping square. The oversized surfaces and cutout on the corner ensures that you have a reliable 90-degree clamping reference that doesn't need to go into the corner. This can be used with nearly any clamp on the market, but works especially well with our CSP clamps. These clamps drop into the holes on the squares, freeing you to hold the square in place and tighten the clamps. These rugged assembly tools are machined to tolerances similar to those used in our legendary layout tools, plus or minus 0.0085 degrees. The 3/4 inch thick square delivers a solid reference surface. 4 table apron clamping squares and 16 CSP clamps support even the largest dining room table designs, perfectly square with little effort. RIDGID 18-volt brushless framing nailer. This framing nailer provides all the power of a pneumatic nailer, but with the convenience of cordless freedom. With no compressor, no hose, and no gas cartridge, this cordless framing nailer enables faster setup and easier maneuvering on the job site. The RIDGID 18-volt brushless 21-degree framing nailer drives 3 nails per second with no gas cartridge and 0 ramp-up time, meaning that there are no delays once that trigger is pulled. To meet all professional needs, the high-strength brushless motor in this framing nailer delivers enough power to sink 2 inches to 3.5 inches full round head framing nails into engineered lumber. Hedge Trimmer. With a cutting speed of 3,000 strokes per minute, the Ryobi 40-volt HP Hedge Trimmer delivers gas-like power and a longer runtime than a gas hedge trimmer. The premium HP brushless motor provides more power, longer runtime, and a longer motor life. The 26-inch blade provides maximum cutting capacity and added reach. The dual-action steel blades offer an aggressive 1-inch cutting capacity, all while reducing unsafe vibration. Other features include a rotating rear handle for precision cutting at any angle, along with a wraparound front handle for ultimate control. Sunjoe 24-volt handheld flashlight. Oof! If you're stuck without power, trying to work in a dark, dreary basement, or at the worksite or campsite at night, it's time to turn on the 24-volt cordless LED handheld spotlight from Sunjoe, powered by the 24-volt Ion Plus system. The included 2.0 AH battery provides up to 70 hours of rechargeable runtime. That's nearly 3 days of continuous use. Perfect for power outage situations. With up to 1500 lumens max of power, Sunjoe casts light up to 700 yards away for max visibility when you need it most. Need a light straight ahead, at an angle, or straight up? Sunjoe has you covered. The adjustable multi-angle head shines right where you want it and only where you need it. Wiha Tools SoftFinish Conduit Reamer and 6-in-1 Multi-Driver Combo. Wiha Conduit Reamer and 6-in-1 Multi-Driver is the standard for premium quality professional multi-drivers, featuring ergonomic cushion grip handle for comfort and control. Dual durometer construction for long-lasting durability. Includes parallel flats to prevent tabletop roll-off, and offers an interchangeable bit and nut driver receiver system for multi-tool adaptivity. The Wiha Conduit Reamer insert deburrs and smooths 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch conduit ends, both inside and out to protect wire insulation and a proper fit for install. The Reamer also features a shrouded slotted driver tip to prevent slipping off the fastener head while tightening hard-to-reach conduit fittings. Wiha 6-in-1 multi-driver insert includes 4 essential screwdriver and 2 nut driver tip profiles for efficient tool carry. Consists of Wiha premium quality tool steel engineered for strength and durability that feature exact fit precision machine tips to reduce cam out of fastener heads. The nut driver component is chrome plated and the double-ended bits have a phosphate finish for corrosion protection and surface resilience. Hand-operated steel bending brake. Kaka Industrial FB-4 steel bending brake is used for press bending ornamental iron, mild steel, aluminum, and other metals. One benefit of this steel bender is that it is easily mounted to any benchtop for cold forming of steel and metals. This bender brake includes setup plate for table clamping. Additionally, this sheet metal bender can bend to 90 degrees by simply turning handle lever until the desired angle is accomplished. High flexible 90-degree bending angle can be adjusted by simply turning a hand level. 4-inch hand-operated steel bending brake with 2.5 tons of pressing capacity, as well as 2.5 inches maximum pressing travel distance. The sheet metal brake bender can be used for press bending ornamental iron, mild steel, aluminum, and other metals. Bevel gauge and miter box. The bevel gauge and miter box for measuring and sawing precise miters is a clever 2-in-1 product that guarantees you perfectly fitted baseboards, eliminating that need for an angular bevel gauge. You will also save yourself the tedious and error-prone task of transferring the correct angle to the saw. Measure corners from 85 degrees to 180 degrees, conveniently using the 2 moving arms. In the second step, place the baseboard in the guides provided and saw using the back saw. The automatic angle bisector using 2 guide pins ensures precise miters. Using the bevel and miter box, you will be able to achieve perfect baseboard transitions, even in the most skewed of corners that old buildings have to offer. 3/8 of an inch Ratchet Wrench Kit. The PowerCore 12 brushless 12-volt 3/8 of an inch impact wrench gives you controlled power in a compact form. With up to 100 foot-pounds torque and up to 3,400 IPM for driving tough nuts and bolts, it features a 3/8 inch square anvil with a friction ring for easy socket changes, a variable speed trigger for better control, and a digital brushless motor to maximize power. This impact wrench kit includes a PowerCore 12, 2.0 AH lithium battery, and power jump charger. Router table, model SRT1039. The Skill SRT1039 router table features a smooth laminated MDF work surface, an aluminum miter gauge slot, above the table adjustment, 2 feather boards, and a router clamp for everything your woodworking project calls for. The integrated router bit storage system saves you time and provides a central location for easy-to-lose bits. The RIDGID aluminum router mounting plate is compatible with many major router brands, while the tall fence handles taller stock when paired with the adjustable MDF base plates. Morphing Fractal Engraving Vise Jaws. Based on a 1900s milling machine, the fractal components create a tight grip on an irregular shape, like wrenches and scissors. Unlike a standard straight vise, which is typically only capable of clamping block-like parts, the 100-year-old fractal design is capable of morphing to grip virtually any object, regardless of the complexity of the geometry. Dubbed the coolest tool you didn't know you needed, the Fractal Vise is near impossible to purchase these days. Kaiweets HT106B. It's an advanced socket tester for quick detection of the correct electrical connection of the socket, designed using the RCD/GFCI test button. The power outlet is properly wired and the RCD/GFCI trip function. It can test the probe, easy to use, detect the neutral line, connect the wires and ground wire correctly, and also indicate which line lacks the bright light mode. SPEEDWRAP. This industrial-grade hook and loop cinch strap is easy to use. Simply wrap it around a bundle or object, insert the tip through the ring, and then back onto itself for a secure hold. SPEEDWRAP cinch straps are reusable and perfect for large diameter bundles. The buckle allows the strap to be cinched down for a tighter hold or positive bundle compression. M-Boss. Designed with ease of use and cost efficiency in mind, keeps your operator training at a minimum. Permanent embossing of stainless steel plates was never easier. The new M-Boss ensures quiet operation and is therefore ideal for continuous operation in print shops, office environments, and on-site. The new M-Boss combines ease of use, cost efficiency, and reliability when it comes to permanently embossing stainless steel plates. Meet the quiet type that is ideal for continuous marker embossing in print shops, offices, and on-site. The M-Boss has been designed with ease of use in mind, keeping operator training at a minimum. 8 hours of continuous operation are not a problem, as an innovative cooling system allows for reliable continuous metal plate embossing. LTW5 Transport Trolley. The Empty Warp Beam Transport Trolley, LTW5, is a handy, versatile aid for comfortable empty warp beam transport. It can be used in the outer area to pick up the warp beams, or the empty warp beams can be presented to the warping or sizing machine. In addition, empty warp beams are removed from the weaving machine in the weaving mill and transported back to the warp beam store. Empty warp beam transport trolley is used for warp beam diameter 700 to 1250 millimeters, with tube diameter of 150 to 300 millimeters. The load capacity of this trolley is 500 kilograms. Panel Carrier Comfort. The handheld panel carrier 60 to 120 millimeters features innovative self-locking clamping jaws to securely hold panels up to 65 millimeters, or 2 9/16 of an inch thick. This is a professional duty carrier with a larger clamping range of up to 4 3/4 of an inch, ideal for interior and exterior doors, windows, and panels from 2 3/8 inch up to 4 3/4 of an inch thick. The carriers are made of thick steel with a rust-proof, galvanized finish and can hold up to 100 kilograms, or 220 pounds each. Batavia CGRIP. Grocery stores are one of the more difficult places to socially distance, which is where CGRIP comes in. The new silicone covers attach to shopping cart handles, so you don't have to touch them with your bare hands or the same gloves you're using to pick your food. BSM 630R-W. The BSM 630R-W gives you almost every possibility for manual processing of plastic pipes in the sawing range of up to 630 millimeters. Exact adjustment possibilities for angle and radius cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees by means of a scale, in combination with the high saw band speed, ensures optimum cutting quality and always a perfect result. The machine has a steel pipework frame with a diamond-shaped pipe bed. A variably adjustable clamping system allows the manual securing of the pipe in the diamond bed. An angle gauge located on the side where the user stands enables any cutting angle from 0 degrees all the way to 45 degrees. ValFast. ValFast is a logical further development of the existing spindle wedge concepts. In existing designs, there will always be a compromise between stability, functionality, and security. The new ValFast combines the best of the previously known and brings some smart features with it. Ball-bearing competitor products can be damaged after just a few weeks, especially if they operate the wedges at the power limit or work with impact wrenches. This problem does not await you with the ValFast. Furthermore, it is made of high-strength materials. In the case of aluminum in particular, a special alloy is used which achieves a strength which is known from steel. The most heavily loaded component of a spindle wedge is the spindle. The ValFast has the most robust spindle and spindle nut we could find on the market. Seismic System. Hilti Seismic System serves the need of piping, ventilation, and electrical systems from light to heavy applications, with 3 different methods of bracing, which are wire bracing system, threaded rod bracing system, and channel bracing system. Hilti Seismic Bracing System provides seismic hinges, such as the newly developed MQS-AP, that allows on average 50% increase in productivity by improving the accessibility, removing nuts, fastening with only one screw, the ability to adjust the rod freely through the hinge, and the possibility to use power tools for fastening due to better accessibility. As part of the new offering, Hilti Seismic Bracing System includes also the possibility to retrofit applications for post-installed installations using the newly developed MQS-HR. The new seismic hinge provides more construction flexibility by being compatible with both wire and threaded rod bracings, and helping to find solutions for existing installations that need to be seismic retrofitted. The Faucet Seat Wrench. This faucet seat wrench is great for removing and replacing tub and shower faucet compression seats. A 4-in-1 tool, it includes 2 double-ended bits, tapered, and 6-step extra blade storage in the handle helps avoid blade loss. A dual material grip provides extended user comfort. TYRREL Transport Cart. This cart is designed for transport and handling of large format tiles. It allows to easily and safely spread adhesive in the back of the tile. When the handling devices or frames are on the cam, ADV, the suction cups remain fully accessible. This allows to restore the vacuum, if needed, easily. This feature is particularly relevant when installing textured large format tiles. One side of the cart can be used as storage for the transport of 1 or more slabs. 2 of the 4 pivoting wheels are provided with brakes, so to prevent the cart from accidentally moving on you. Panel Beader PB250. The Panel Beader PB250 Plus is a light, portable device with a manual drive. Generates flat beads in sheet metal, coulters, and folded or pre-profiled material. The manual feed on the top roller enables sensitive processing of the workpieces and the processing of the complex shapes. The workpiece is not only guided through a stop plate, but also through vertically arranged hard guide rollers and ball bearings, which ensure the repeatability of recurring workpieces. Bend unlimited lengths of metal on the job or in the shop. No more limitations to only 8 feet. Coaxstrip 6480. The Coaxstrip 6480 is a fully programmable multi-step stripping machine for coaxial, triaxial, and multi-conductor cable, as well as single conductor wire. Fast cycle times, multiple steps, with freely selectable stripping sequence, cable diameter verification, cable end detection, and automated cable retraction functions guarantee high precision and reliability. The incisions of the blade are linear and perpendicular to the cable axis, resulting in a clean and highly precise cut. In addition, the protective cover can be removed without tools, thus facilitating maintenance of the machine. The Coaxstrip 6480 fully complies with all CE and EMC equipment guidelines relative to mechanical and electrical safety and electromagnetic compatibility. Can-Am tool. This tool will make finishing almost any corner quicker and easier. Designed with quality in mind, the revolutionary hinged flusher is made with high-quality stainless steel for unmatched strength and durability. Additionally, this material helps avoid corrosion or marking of the drywall with rust. It is easy to clean and comes in 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 3-inch wide track and 3.5-inch sizes, featuring gold anodized runners with inline wheels. These premium corner finishers are designed to wipe, feather, and finish both sides of any inside angle between 72 degrees and 135 degrees in a single pass, with little need for cleanup or sanding. RM35 cable length measuring device. The Runpometer RM35 is a digital cable length measuring device which can be used to precisely measure cables, single conductors, ropes, pipes, or hoses with a diameter of /0.2 mm up to /0.32 mm. It is splash-proof and dust-proof, extremely shock-resistant, and thus ideally suited for the job site. The RM35 has 2 totaling buttons, which can be used to add up the measured values as you work. A countdown function is also included, which can be used to measure predetermined cable lengths. The RM35 is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that has an extremely long runtime. The battery can be charged using the integrated USB-C charging socket. The Runpometer RM35 is perfectly stowed in the Runpotec system case, which is also compatible with Sortimo products. The belt length can be easily adjusted from 750 mm to 1200 mm. Alternatively, this belt can also be fixed to the connecting pad, thereby offering a fixation option for all conventional rolling systems. BEAMNOVA. The vise at the base allows flexible clamping adjustment. The maximum clamping angle can reach 45 degrees with a clamping width of 80 mm, and it holds a max of 150 mm or 5.9 inches width in 0 degrees. Upgraded holder clamp for angle grinders within 150 mm or 5.9 inches. Adjustable fixing arm for multiple types of angle grinders. Just press and hold the yellow button and gently pull or push the screw rod to adjust the clamping range. Tough spring has sufficient elastic force to return quickly and does not deform after stretching. Hence, it is user-friendly. The smooth sliding rail provides smooth sliding and a max of 150 mm or 5.9 inches in cutting length. The extended non-slip handle offers a comfortable cutting experience. Fine-tuning knob and locking fixture at the vise are designed for more stable cutting. Non-slip silicone fixed shaft for more stable angle grinder holding. Hilmor 1 5/8" ratcheting plastic tubing cutter. When you need an extra hand, get a hold of Hilmor's 1 5/8" ratcheting plastic tubing cutter. A rubberized comfort grip handle makes this easy to do, while a stainless steel blade gives you the hands-down advantage on PEX and PVC. You no longer need big pipes to slice right through them. An ergonomic cast aluminum body and stainless steel blade increase the life and durability. A rubberized handle makes it easier to use in wet and dirty environments. A conveniently placed release button allows for true one-handed operation, while a locking tab secures the blade in place. ReadyRest. The height and angle adjustable ReadyRests attach securely to any steel surface for safe and convenient holding of your torch, and cables for full access while you work. The unique adjustable cable hanger provides cable control for safety and ease of handling. Store your torch on the ReadyRest to prevent damage and create a clean, organized work area. Adjustable cable hanger holds cable slack, reducing wrist fatigue. The ReadyRest line of MIG and TIG torches rest from strong hand tools attached securely to a welding table, welding machine, or other steel surface with a strong magnetic base to increase efficiency and prevent torch damage. These articulated rests are height and angle adjustable for setting at the ideal position for easy access while working. BB103. Designed and modeled after the popular Bessey GTR16S6H guide rail and table clamp. The new clamp is perfect for secure and rapid fastening of guide rails from Festool, Makita, DeWalt, Hitachi, Metabo, and other popular tracks. This universal clamp is also used for clamping in profiles as well as work tables. Ratcheting action is 5 times faster than conventional clamps and is secure and unaffected by vibrations.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video gave you some valuable insights into the tools you need for your projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and recommendations. Share your favorite tools in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.